Hello YouTube, Red to Green here again with another recap. Today is January 24th, Monday 2022. I traded 2, 4, 6, 7 stocks today. I'm up over $100. I finished my stream at about 90, I believe around $90. So I traded after I finished my stream a little bit, and I mentioned that I would do that. Nothing much, 17 bucks gain over that. So just hit that psychological $100 I wanted to hit, and I was just keep hovering around that. Didn't want to push it, and I saw EXTN push and kind of before power hour, during power hour type of momentum. So I just kind of jumped in, and also Tesla kind of bounce breakout together with SPY when we have this market just start recovering and bouncing above VWAP. When I'm talking about SPY. So overall 7 stocks. Tesla was just a small 1-2 shares, so $7 on that. Nothing really to talk about. Tesla has been strong for the past hour, so interesting breakouts around 903, and obviously the high of day here breakout at 915 into the 930. So again, I want to try Tesla options. I don't know, I don't have a hang of it. I'm not confident yet, but I'm gonna dabble around. I know it's gonna cost me some money, 40 cents spreads, $40 just on a single contract. It's it's definitely a different game when it comes to playing options, especially at the large caps like Tesla and Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Lucid, all these guys, AMD. So today we had EXTN on watch. GMVD popped kind of before market opened, and BSFC was all over the place, and a little bit of Pixie and BBIG. So that's kind of the day. So EXTN was definitely on main watch, and it sold off right away, as you can see here on my chart, and didn't have much hopes, right, until it's kind of started creeping above the VWAP. I started to trade it. I didn't like these sell-offs, but I still kind of managed to kind of, how would I say, I was always kind of break even, right? You make a step forward and then you make a step back. Good thing for no commissions, right? Otherwise it would be just very expensive. So fishing wasn't expensive on the EXTN, and when I'm talking about fishing, the fish for that momentum, that spike up, the candle over candle, right? That the whole volume increase and VWAP breakouts, the different technical setups, right? When you fish for it, you don't know if it's going to work or not, if it's going to just do a bear trap, bull trap. Usually in my case it's a bull trap, right? A false breakout. So that's exactly what I'm talking about when I'm saying fishing. EXTN, again, at the end I did trade it a little bit more, so that's where I gained about 11 bucks on it. So that's the pops over the 1 o'clock and then 1:30, and then this here at 2 o'clock and then 245. So that's the area where I kind of just took a little bit of shares here, and I was profitable, $10, $11, not much. I traded Tesla during that time too. So that's EXTN. Let's go into Dave. Dave was interesting today. Dave was a single trade because of Dave. It popped at the market open, and I believe Bondman also traded it. And what I did is I essentially traded this pullback right here on this 1 minute, right here, this area, 1081. And my initial hopes were, it bounced, and it did bounce, but I got out kind of early. So very small share size. So I didn't take the break of 50, and I just got out, was up 14 bucks on it. Again, that was basically, and I talked about that setup. It's the update of on a halt level up. So when I say level up and level down, limit up or limit down, LULD, right? LULU. It's whenever we halt, right? A certain percentage of the price, and sometimes what I notice on level 2, on a fast level 2, is as soon as that halt level moves up, in the case of level up, limit up, you can see that burst of volume coming in. People are just surging through that, and that's the time to get in. And that's exactly what happened here. I was watching level 2 on light speed, I saw limit up, moved up, I believe 30 cents. I jumped in. So it's important to not get, shafted by the fill. So because you could definitely get filled right at the top, which is going to be pretty bad. So that's the only risk pretty much, but in most cases it moves right away if it doesn't also get out. So that's pretty much a strategy. Very simple, but you just got to be fast and confident. So that's what happened with Dave. And when I talked about it during the live trade too. When I had DAS connected to TOS, I actually was faster in these kind of setups, but there was a lot more setups back last year in the summertime. Almost like half of the last year we had these setups all over the place. They were working out nicely. This time, like, this is the first setup this month, Dave, at the market open, right? It's nice. It basically doesn't halt, right? It hovers around that under halt, and you can notice that. And then as soon as the halt moves up, you get in. So that was Dave. And next one, GMVD. GMVD was nice to me, $77. I believe I was over 100 on it, and I gave back $40 on that stock. It was just it was given a nice setup. So it had momentum. It wasn't. It was a normal stock as long as you don't trade the backside, and that's my issue, right? My strategy have an issue. As soon as you see the second go test of high and break of high, I'm always assuming that it's going to continue going up, right? And when I say continue going up is when it did that, I was thinking it's going to do that, and then it starts selling off. So it didn't. It kind of starts selling off right here, and I was trying to get in on this bounce. On this bounce, like try to get on this fake 1 minute breakout, and you can see there's a lot of fake outs here, right? A lot of fake outs. Like, check this 1 minute fake out right here. It's pretty gnarly, right here. You get in at the break of you think it's gonna curl, break of the 20. You get in at the 26 and it just flushes on you, or so anyway. And also the anticipation, right? If you get in on a breakout, usually you're late. You have to anticipate that breakout, and when you anticipate the breakout, sometimes you can get shafted by a false breakout. So that's GMVD. I traded it up until about 11ish or so, until it kind of died down. So I lost about $30 on it, gave it back. Pixie, I don't really like. I don't know why I traded it. It's didn't really have a setup for me. I just got in, lost a couple. I think I did 2 trades. I lost $10 on it, and I was done, and that's it. So let's see what else. Today we talked. BSFC was also, but that's a continuation from last week. It did spike up. I didn't take it. It was always below VWAP. It's just nothing. And the market was selling off. SPY was selling off a lot, and it's just. Not a good day. Everything was selling off the first couple hours the market opened. I believe market tanked 1,100 points at some point, 1,000 points. So that's definitely you got to watch out. Everything is weak. Everybody's kind of on the edge. So just watch out. I know people who trade options and trade a breakout with options, they also struggle in this market. So just stay cool, guys. Don't FOMO in. Be patient. We're definitely going to get momentum soon. So, and as soon as we get it, hopefully we'll be near our computers and trading, and hopefully we didn't forget our edge, right, when we had that momentum, that high volume. So, all right, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for live streams, right? Join my live streams. I do it every day from 9 a.m. At least try to get in at 9 a.m., like not 9:15. And then I usually stream for around 3 hours or so, and do recaps. All right, guys, hopefully you did good. Let me know if you traded, what you traded, how good, what are you green, are you red, what kind of setups do you trade? So always nice to hear and what you guys got to say. And all right, guys, talk to you tomorrow.